Hello, I'm Blaze the Cat. We're ready for part 3 now. Here, let's give you 4 types and details. In budding, a new organism develops from an outgrowth or bud due to cell division at one particular site. The small bulb-like projection coming out from the yeast cell is called a bud. Suppose, in hydra budding, this is a parent hydra. Then in the next step, a bud is about to be developed. Then it forms into a new bud. At the final step, the new bud released from the parent hydra, then new hydra is formed. And process is repeated again soon. Next, the fission. Typically binary fission. The division of a single entity into 2 or more parts and the regeneration of those parts to separate entities resembling the original. For example, in amoeba, the central part of the cell is called nucleus. Around the nucleus, a thick solution that fills each cell and is enclosed by the cell membrane called cytoplasm. Then in the next step, the amoeba cell starts dividing into 2, which elongates cytoplasm and nucleus. And at the final step, there are 2 daughter cells are formed. Then its process repeats after each step. Next, fragmentation. In multicellular organisms is a form of asexual reproduction in which an organism is split into fragments, just like you have seen the lizard's tail being cut in the previous part. And finally, Parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis is a natural form of asexual reproduction in which growth and development of embryos occur without fertilization. Now I would tell you about the mammals and birds. In mammals, suppose, a mother bear that cares and protects the small bears. Just like in human beings, a small baby is delivered from mother's body, as seen in some hospitals. And birds on the other hand, birds lay eggs on the nest in trees. As soon as the mother bird sits on the eggs to keep them warm, they will hatch and small chicks will be born. The mother bird tries to protect chicks, and soon teach them to fly with wings. Any species you might have seen across the nature like insects, reptiles, fish, birds, and mammals. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.